Murimu wa kansa ya nyondo niguo tongoretie hari gucungiriria ikuo urumirirwo ni kansa ya njira ya uciari. Ataramu makiuga mitaratara mikinyaniru oro undu umwe na guthomithia muingi ni undu ubatie gwikirirwo niguo kuhukia mirimu ino na niguo kugacirithia motungata morigitani na njira igwete. Atongoria a dini ni moritie thirikari imarihe mbeca ciothe cia motungata maria maheanite rungu rwa SHA. Muthikabu munene wa Gatoreki Archdiocese ya Nairobi Philip Anyolo akioria arigitani gutungatira muingi na wendo.
As they continue with the healthcare with the SHA financing model, to really ensure that they also pay the facilities that are providing these services, so that we can get the equipment, we can get the resources we require for us to continue treating Kenyans.
Healthcare is not just a service, it is a mission of love and a mission of dignity. Healthcare is one of the services to the suffering people.
Kuringana na ripoti kuma kwa Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri, o mwaka atumia 5,250 nio monekanaga na murimu wa kansa ya njira ya uciari na atumia 3,286 nio makuaga kumana na murimu uyu o mwaka. Anyitite miaya makiuga kansa ya njira ya uciari ni murimu ungigiririka. Oho ni mateterithitie bata wa airitu anini akuma miaka 10 nginyagia 14 guthecwo njanjo ya HPV iria igucangira hari kuhukia murimu uyu. Riri ari rita ria mbere kanitha wa Gatoreki ureyumeria king'ang'aini na kunyita mbaru uheani wa njanjo ino.
We have so much that we can deploy and put out there to ensure that all girls are vaccinated, that women who need treatment are treated, and those that need protection get the protection. So we want to go then, as Sister has mentioned, into action.
The vaccine is safe, it is available, it has been proven to work in over 100 countries, and over 80 million doses have been given already in the world, and therefore we see women as being safe when they receive this vaccine for prevention of cervical cancer.
Judy Wanyoike uria wonekanire na murimu wa kansa ya njira ya uciari miaka 12 mihituku thutha wake gukorwo na thina wa kura muno kwa ihinda ria miaka 2, augite andu ni mabatie kuhariririo moritu maria mundu egutungana namo hindi ya urigiti wa murimu uyu. Guku akiumireria aria monekanite na murimu uyu.
Tariu maita maria urekwo radio ri maita maingi ni ukorwo na thina muno wa mugongo, na mau tondu ni ndari na thina ucio nginya wa mugongo ri, koguo mau ndiari na thina muno namo. No haria treatment ino yokire ngeigua he handu itekwihaririirie na ni yanginyia ho ni weko black therapy, tondu ikoraga njira ni hatiri wina kihiko giaku, kihiko gikahana ta gingithuka, tondu nona gucinwo kuria gutumaga njira ithire. Nona no korwo ni uwe mbere yo ri, na hau niho ni ingihimisa muno andu makiambiria treatment, mundu agakorwo akirwo ati ni wagirire he undu wagirire gwika exercise nigetha ndugekore ta haria ndekorire. Onokorwo ero stage K ni yende tondu gukua kwambagiriria meciria-ini maku na kuhona kwambagiriria meciria-ini maku.
Ngerifuatera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.